Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very special because I'll be teaching you how to create a stunning fashion product animation in Canva using simple tricks. Make sure you don't skip the video as I'll be sharing some amazing tips along the way. Step 1. Prepare your photos. Download some high-quality photos that you want to use for your fashion animation. Upload these photos to Canva. Remove the background from each image one by one, making sure they're completely clean and professional looking. Step 2. Set up your design. Choose one of the edited photos and copy it to another page. Adjust the size according to your preference. Select a background. I recommend using a gradient background that matches your product color, but feel free to choose any style you like. Step 3. Add shadow effects. Go to Elements and search for Shadow. Adjust the shadow settings to give your product a professional touch. Group the elements together to keep your design organized. Step 4. Create animation effects. Go to Elements and choose a circle to add some dynamic movement. Search for mandala art and select an element that complements your design. Apply a rotate animation to the mandala art and add a baseline animation for a smooth and flowing effect. Step 5. Add text and logo. Download the product logo from FreePic or any reliable source. Add the logo and product information as text to your design. Make sure to arrange the text neatly and adjust the font size and color as needed. Step 6. Animate the model and text apply custom animations to the model. Hold Shift and drag to create a smooth transition. Adjust the speed and movement to match your desired style. Give the text similar animation effects for a cohesive and professional look. Final tip: the animation in this video is smooth and professional. But remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better your designs will become. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. Stay tuned for the next video. It's going to be even more exciting.